Today is April the 15th, 2021. I just raised the garage door, and in fact, this coming Thursday, the 22nd, the new doors will come in, and they will be automatic. You don't have to pull a cord or anything. It just pulls up. So I have enlarged the Meg puppies area, and Meg can get away from them, hopefully. That's not so tall. I'm gonna come back in here, but come back and way past lunch, but clean up everything. Y'all ready to come? Where's Tiger? Tiger has been escaping. He has been able to escape over this little barrier, which I had up there. But now this door will be shut. Just enables me, the barriers, to go in and out without a puppy running by and maybe getting his little head caught. So there we go. Everything's a process.